Alright, y'all, that one's been out. They got 2. This one was good yesterday. This one was good the first day. Let's look and see. Whichever one has at least 7s, we got 1. Let's see. 1, 7, 4 7s. Let's look at this one. They're still working on them. So everything's been down, they said, the whole week. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. Let's try this one. They both got 4. Let's try this one. 4 7s each. But even between the 4 7s, there's some pretty good rolling going on. Let's see what we can do. Let us see here. Alright. It is 9:53 Wednesday. Alright, baby. We're gonna do 300, y'all. It's kind of busy down here. With them only having 2 machines, it's hard to get in later. Alright, let's go 3, 3, 3 there. 35 on everything. That soft tap was working, baby. We're gonna go to the soft tap. See if it's still going. Alright, we lost 8, but we won 12. Repeat last bet, make that 9. Let's go. Soft tap. Do an 8. Alright. Let's put 5 on everything. 3 on the hard ways. 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. 290 action. Let's get some money, baby. First thing in the morning. Do a 6. Started off right. Put a quarter on it. Make that 10. Put 3 on everything else. Alright, let's go. Let's get a ticket out the gate. Shit. That was good.
Out 7. Line away.
All right.
Warm beer, cold dice.
300 down. Sometimes when you lose that first money, it gets a little discouraging. But I'm here to tell you, don't get discouraged. In my blue, hold mine. All right, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. 6, 1, 2, 4, 5. Ignore the call. All right, let's go, baby. We're gonna hit it. Let's try this button. All right, we'll do the 6. Let's go 10 on each number. Make all these $6. Same button right here. One of them gotta work, right? 9. So the object with doing what I did, going light, I'm gonna go to 100 on whatever came, since we got it in there. Then we're gonna go 5 on everything. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Back over here, baby. Let's go. I suspected after 9 and 5. Let's make that $10. Let's go 3 on everything. Let's go 1, 2. Let's put a little bit on the 6. Back over here, baby. It's almost a hard spot. That was 9, even better. So let's go 200 there. I saw that hard 6 wink. Let's put 10 on everything. Sometimes when they wink, they give you a sign. Let's see if we get the hard 6. Don't worry about it. 1, 2, 5. 100 there. 4 there. Let's go. 9's already heavy. Let's put a little more on the 6. Hard 6. And wink. Wink at it. Hard 6. Hard 4. Alright, let's go that there. 28 there. 100, 100, 100. Let's go. Let's go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Make that 8. 3 more on the 6. We got 42 left. It's 10, 10, 10. 5, 5. 1, 1. We're up to 753. That hard 6 already went. Alright, hard 8. Focus on the 6 and hard 8 snuck up on us. Alright, that's black. Let's make that black, make that black. Make all these green. Make them all green. Alright, we got action over there. We got 50 left. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Put that there. 925. Still look for that hard 6. I'll take a regular 6. Any 6. I'm not greedy.
Easy 6.
I think we got 1,000.
No field.
Let me see. I did put 300 in there, so we really should go for 1,500. Let me see what we got. We got a, let me take it. A little money management, see what happens. We got plenty of 300s, why not take it, right? Why not take it? Alright, it's quarter. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Y'all gonna just make us work? I guess it's hot. It's saying let's work. It's hot. It's saying let's work. Normally out on the come out, but it turned it on its own. So we're gonna go 50, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1. $70 left, 268. This button is working. We're gonna keep it going. All right, 4. Okay, whatever came first, we're going to 100 on it. 25 there. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. That's our system. Stick with the system, baby. Hard 6. 11. Let's make this 40. $4 horn. See a horn, better horn. Y'all know how we play it. Hard 6. 5. Let's go. Our lucky shooter's gone, so we're hammering whatever comes at this point. Alright. I'm not gonna keep asking for that hard 6. 10. Point. Point in the joint. Let's go quarter there. Let's go 9 here. I haven't really seen too many horns. What about y'all? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We got 4 left. We're gonna press the 6 and 8 unless we throw a 9 and 5. Same button, same action. We lost 9, but we won 12 technically. Let's repeat last bet. Let's make that blue. Let's go again. 12, 5. For some reason I knew if 9 or 5 was coming. That's a good sign. That's what I predicted. Let's press the 8 and watch the hard 6 roll. What do we get it up to? 562. All right. Money management. Let's go again. Let's get it in there. We do have a ticket here, which is smart in a sense. We took it. Okay. So let's repeat last bet. Let's go 5 there, 1 here. Let's twerk. On the come out. 4. All right, that was a good 4. Let's go 75 on it. 15 there. Both of those red. We got 78 left. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We got 18 left. Whatever comes first, we're gonna hammer with the 18. Hard 8. Even better. Big bend. So 100 here.
Hard 10 is a winner.
Let's make that 28. We got 195 left. Let's put 50 there. Let's go quarter. Those hard 10s and 4s are nice, people. 3, 3, 5, 5. We got $4 left. Let's go 1, 1, 1. I still see that hard 8. Make that blue. 620 out the gate. Damn, we 620 in 2 rows. Let that hard 10 come right back on a hard 4. So it rolled 4, 10, 4. Let's go 200 on it. 50 there. Because we're never scared. That's crazy. We got over 800 in 3 rows. It's all good. It's all Gucci. 4, 10, 4. Isn't that crazy? That's literally what we've thrown. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We got 8 left. Make that blue. 1, 1, 1, 1. Got $1 left. Put that dollar on the 9. So look, we rolled 4, 10, 4, 10. It's supposed to be a 4, but it might be a hard 6. 11. Let's take this down. Put a whole nickel on it. See a horn, better horn. Let's go. All right, hard 4. Hard 4. And I had to stop hollering hard 6. And that made it come.
Awesome.
That made it come down. We still got 162. Let's make everything black. Why not, baby? Let's go make that. Boom, boom, 28, 28. The 6 came, put another quarter on it. 10, 10, 10. 10 more on the 10. 5 there. 3, 3, 3. 3 there, 1 there. 992. We got action, baby. Any hardware look good. Likes the 4. Let's go, remember 4, I think I can go 265 with 50 there is my max. Quarter. Put another quarter there. Let's make 10 and 4 look like brothers and sisters. Show them some respect. Quarter. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 there, 10 there. Let's go 10, 10, 10. We got 9 left. Put on the 6. Go up to 1342. Looking for a hard 10 shot. Hard 10. We ain't playing with them. We not playing with them. We not playing with them. What we got in there? 2 racks. Give me my money. If I didn't record this shit, I wouldn't believe it either, y'all. I wouldn't believe it either. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. The Lord knows I enjoy it. I enjoy making them. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. It's working again on the come out. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Ah, we got greedy, y'all. Got greedy. I shouldn't have done it. All right, people walking around seeing that people got money in their machines. All right, y'all. Everything got 7s on it. That's everything got 7s on it. And we hit our point, then we do a driver. I want to switch buttons, but let's see. Let's see, baby. 9, all right. So 9 goes to quarter. Change all these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 20. Dollar left. Put that dollar on that hard 6. We're still here, baby. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do, y'all. Let us see what we can do. I think I started, what I started this one? 120? Make them all red. Let me make history for these guys. Let me make history for these guys. Come on, Dicey. I got my YouTubers watching. Don't make me look bad. Cocktail. Ooh, y'all see?
6. Down behind. Don't come travel to 6.
I know she hear me, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Make them 28, 28, 28. We about to run this 120 all the way up, y'all. Watch this. Let me get you got hot chocolate with whipped cream? All right,
10 hard.
Hey, y'all.
Hard 10 is a winner.
Brace yourself. Because we got the people's champ on the dice. 120, we about to take that bad boy to 2 racks. Watch this. All we need is to keep rolling. 2 racks. Y'all wanted to see that action-packed video, right? Y'all want to see it? Ask and you shall receive. Show out for them one time, YouTube. Aces, that's expected after 5, y'all. Let's go that there. That's green since that's black. We got 18 left. Let's go 3 on everything. I don't like that number there. Let's take that off. Put $1 on the 9. Put the rest here. When they hot, they hot. Ain't nothing you can do about it. Nothing. All right, so what we got? 1, 2, 3,200. I ain't complaining. You complaining? All right, y'all. Early morning, made a quick little couple dollars. All about pinching and running. See them later.